Hello guys, welcome back in my channel. My name is Aman Kumar and you're watching Employment Guide channel. So guys, in this video session I'm going to talk about the importance of basic communication skills. Basic communication skills, why? Because lots of people I have seen, they are very talented in this stream, like they are working in a tech industries, but they are losing a lots of opportunities due to his lack of communication skills. So everywhere in a corporate you will stuck if you are not in your communication. So how you can improve it, and if the person is new, totally new, how they can basically learn English and make his communication skill on next level. In this video I'm going to talk about these things, guys, right? So the first thing, you don't have to do it, guys. Don't try to learn a fancy words, the bigger words, okay? That's make you stuck, that's make you confused actually while conversation, because once you will talk with someone, so here you are going to use a basic words for a communication purpose, okay? If you can try to use some fancy words like uh, adorable, where you can easily use beautiful, right? If you are using adorable or some kind of heavy words, you will be confused in initial stages when you are don't have a copy with the words, okay? So it's important to learn a basic words despite of heavy fancy words, guys. This is a big problem, big things that people are making mistake over here, right? And 1 minute, there is someone. Okay, I'm sorry guys, I thought like someone calling me. So these are the thing, guys, and try to learn every day single words, okay? Start with the one words, like suppose you want to build your communication skill, start with using every day one word like during. How you can implement this during word in a big sentences, this is what you have to learn it, and try to build a multiple sentences every day, okay? Whenever you are free, start thinking about that particular word. Suppose during, I want to use the during word in my communication, okay? So how can I use it? Suppose I went yesterday during that particular work, okay? These kind of sentences, try to make it, or you can make a multiple sentences. Basically it's just a basic example I'm telling you. I mean basically to use the words, basic words, and don't try to basically give a pressure to your mind to learn about English, okay? Because in a pressure you cannot learn it, okay? Just try to enjoy the process. And how you can enjoy it? Try to slow, okay? Learn the English in a slow manner, not too much faster, because if you can do some faster things, you will basically in a problematic situation, or once you will fed up, you will left basically to learn English. So this is don't want, basically I don't want you happen, I don't want basically you can do these kind of things. So try to make a basic sentences and always think in English. This is very important. Whenever you have a time, don't try to think like I will practice only 2 hours of English. You cannot make your communication skill well, guys, if your thought process is like to practice for a 2 hour or 3 hour. No, it's a 24-hour process actually. Once you are sleeping, on that particular time you will have to be thinking English, okay? You will have to start thinking in English. Without this process, it is not going to be happen. And not only for thinking, start doing practice, guys, using words, okay? Because once you speak, so your tongue and your mind, they will collaborate with each other actually, okay? Once they will collaborate, and on that point of time, after some time, your fluency will be good. So this is what I wanted to share with the basically new people who are stuck in communication skill. They are struggling to improve his communication skills. So these are the ways here you can basically implement in your life, and you can make your communication skill well, okay? Hope you like this video, guys. I'm always uploading a job related content on my channel, also communication related things. So if you like my channel, please subscribe to my channel and like the video and share whomsoever basically required these videos. If someone is looking for a job, if someone is looking to improve his communication skills, so share my channel, and I will try my best to help you out, guys, always. Thank you so much. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.